Hai UIC lovers, I am Cynthia and I am Winta. We're now here want to introduce one and only Industrial Heritage International University in Gresik. This is UIC. Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia was established in 2014. It was initially named Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Semen Indonesia. Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Semen Indonesia was growing rapidly into increasing its department. Because of its efforts, Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Semen Indonesia had reached 10 departments. And in 2016, Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Semen Indonesia decided to go further by changing to Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia. Of the many existing study programs, there is one new study program which is quite rare, of which there are two in Indonesia, one of which is at UIC, namely the Engineering Management Study Program. Engineering Management is a combination from two different study programs, Management and Technique. Because of that, Engineering Management has become a unique study program and quite rare, especially in Indonesia.
In 2021, Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia, or UIC, received 243 new students with an allocation of scholarship funds of around 1.3 billion rupiahs. The distribution of the students came from the island of Java, several cities in Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Sumatra. The scholarships awarded include Smart Indonesia College Card, or KIPK, Superior Scholarship, Tahfiz Scholarship, BUMN Apprentice Scholarship, and the last is Foreign Student Scholarship.
Graduates of the Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia have the quality to then be able to compete in career opportunities, especially in the Semen Indonesia group. This is adequate because during the lecture process, UIC students have gained knowledge that is able to support the life of the world of work, such as Semen Insight, certified internship, as well as lectures directly with practitioners from PT Semen Indonesia itself.
Hello everyone, it is occasion. Please let me introduce myself first. My name is Aulia Hesti Stovani. I am a bachelor degree student for study program management at Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia 2020. Now I am 19 years old and in May I will be 20 years old. My dream is to become a baker and food planner. Anyway, impression for UIC. This university has been attractive to me. This university shaped me into the entrepreneur character. The lecturer provide many electronic books such as PDF and any kind of it. It's contain many knowledge there, and maybe because my study program management, they have so many events such as management period, management week, food bank. It's made me meet a lot of new people and it forced me to out of my comfort zone. Because there's my scholarship application. The first one, you can study in full without paying fees, and then you have to deal it with scholarship program agreements such as your GPA must be above 3.5 and your minimum scam is 300 per person. You have to contribute all the activities that held outside and inside the campus, and it make me have more responsibility in my life. Last but not least, for UIC, hopefully you will will be better known out there as the best heritage campus. And may your faculty grow. Maybe in the next year there's medical school for new student. Amin. And then for new student, I hope you guys more enthusiastic because the journey, your journey, our journey is still long. Thank you. Bye.
Halo, aku Riza Dewi Agustina dari Program Studi Manajemen Angkatan 2020. Kesan aku selama kuliah di UISI tentunya sangat menyenangkan karena lingkup pertemanannya yang asik-asik, ditambah lagi dosen pengajar dari UISI ini masih bisa dibilang milenial dan juga lulusan terkemuka baik di dalam negeri maupun di luar negeri, serta banyak sekali event-event yang diadain oleh UISI dengan mengundang pembicara yang hebat, sehingga kami sebagai mahasiswa UISI ini dapat menambah pengetahuan dan juga wawasan yang sangat luas. Nah, sebenarnya aku belum tahu ya terkait UISI itu apa, kemudian di universitas mana. Sebenarnya itu masih belum tahu UISI itu apa. Tapi karena temanku dulu itu sempat daftar di UISI, jadi aku tahu UISI, tapi cuma tahu Universitas Men gitu. Jadi terus aku cari-cari informasi terkait UISI. Dan semakin aku mencari informasi terkait UISI, di situ aku semakin tertarik karena wah, keren banget ya, UISI ini masih bisa dibilang kampus muda tapi udah mencapai banyak sekali pencapaian prestasi-prestasi yang diperoleh oleh UISI. Ditambah lagi UISI ini di bawah naungan Aperti BUMN. Jadi akhirnya aku memutuskan untuk mendaftar di UISI. Waktu itu waktu mendaftar sedang dibuka jalur pendaftaran beasiswa KIPK. Nah, di situ aku mencoba apply di pendaftaran tersebut beasiswa KIPK dan alhamdulillahnya diterima. Manfaat beasiswa dari UISI tersebut, kan aku sebelumnya mendaftar di beasiswa KIPK UISI dan alhamdulillahnya UISI ini memfasilitasi saya untuk kuliah selama 4 tahun gratis full. Jadi tanpa biaya sepeser pun, jadi aku nggak ngeluarin biaya sepeser pun dan juga ditambah lagi mendapatkan uang saku tiap bulan. Harapannya untuk UISI, semoga kedepannya UISI ini lebih dikenal lagi oleh masyarakat akan prestasi akademik maupun non-akademiknya, serta menjadi kampus favorit di Indonesia. Dan untuk harapan bagi calon mahasiswa baru, ini merupakan babak baru, langkah awal teman-teman yang akan teman-teman tempuh. Jadi terus semangat dalam menggapai mimpi dan juga terus berprogres dalam mengembangkan diri untuk meraih masa depan kalian. Semangat!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Hovifa Azhari. I come from Medan, North Sumatra. I am from Department of Agroindustrial Technology 2021. I am one of the recipients from Tahfiz Scholarship. My impression while studying at UISI that I'm very happy and I very enjoy at UISI. Because at UISI the lecturer is so very happy, so very kind, that always make me happy when I study at UISI. The reason I choose UISI because UISI is a university under the auspice of the state-owned enterprise, and UISI location is often known as Sunan City because the so many the history from Sunan. Yes, that is its location is Gresik. The benefit of the scholarship that I got from UISI, I can make my parents proud, and I'm so very happy because I can study at UISI from my Tahfiz scholarship, because that is so help me to study. I hope from Tahfiz scholarship I can reach my dream. And the last one, I hope for new student in UIC that if you want something that you must be diligent to get it, and you must don't give up, because what you want that you can make it true. That's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, I'm Chandra Imam from Mojokerto and I'm student of Syariah Economics Department. I'm proud to be an awardee of full scholarship of Aperti BUMN 2020. At first, I was shy and did not have confidence to apply this scholarship because so many people apply this scholarship. Several times ago, I have applied for several scholarships and failed, so I'm desperate. However, we learn from the failures to be success, right? So when I was selected to be an awardee of this scholarship, I was grateful because Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia is one of corporation campus which applies corporate thematically education. I have amazing learning experience in UIC. Furthermore, not only Indonesian students are studying here, but there are also international students too. UIC is producing ready-to-work graduates. Anyway, thanks to Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia for trusting me to be a scholarship awardee. I hope I can make some achievements and make campus proud. So, what are you waiting for? Let's join UIC to get bright future. See you!
Hello everyone, my name is Ayuri Kusmawati. I'm from Chemical Engineering major 2019. Studying directly in an industrial atmosphere, competent lecturers and competitive and positive learning environment made my impression of studying at UIC is very satisfying. The work culture that is taught is very useful for us as a student. In addition, being on a BUMN corporate campus and having the opportunity to learn directly make us very ready to face the world of work. Now, I have internship at PT Petrokimia Gresik at Process and Quality Control Department. The knowledge that I got at UIC really support my internship process. All books used in college are very complete and contain all information. The lessons I get are very in line with the condition involved, and lecturers are also still ready to answer my question if there is something I'm confused about. The major of chemical engineering at UIC provide very complete knowledge to help me understand the industrial work directly. I hope UIC can be better by providing other learning support for its students, and hopefully new students can take advantage of the facilities that have been given to the maximum and excel in their respective fields. That's all from me, and don't forget to join me at UIC.
So interesting, right? There's a lot of benefits like scholarship, bonding relationship with foreign students around the world, and industrial heritage facilities that you can get at UIC. So, what are you waiting for? Let's join us at UIC!